Hello guys, in this video we are gonna discuss about AND gate. Let's understand the AND gate in simple way. Without further ado, let's get started. AND gate is used to perform logical multiplication of binary input. The output state of the AND gate will be high if both the inputs are high. Otherwise, the output state will be low if any of the inputs is low. In a simple way, we can say that the AND gate is the logical multiplication. An AND gate can have multiple inputs like two inputs or more. The key principle of AND gate is if all the inputs are 1, then the output will be 1. If either input is 0, the output will be 0. Let's understand these topics with truth table. Now we have a logical AND gate. It has two inputs A and B. Now the two inputs of this gate are 0 and 0. Output would be 0 according to AND gate principle. Hereafter we have two inputs 0 and 1. If one input is 0, the output would be 0. That's why the output will be 0. Hereafter we have two inputs 1 and 0. If one input is 0, the output would be 0. That's why the output will be 0. Hereafter, we have two inputs 1 and 1. Now, we don't have any low inputs. That's why the output will be 1. That's it for now. See you tomorrow.